Daily routine and household chores vocabulary. Wake up. Wake up. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. Stretch your arms and legs. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Make the bed. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Change the sheets. Brush the teeth. Brush the teeth. Shave my beard. Shave my beard. Wash my face. Wash my face. Dry my face. Dry my face. Put on cream. Put on cream. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Do exercise. Do exercise. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Dry my hair. Dry my hair. Comb hair. Comb hair. Clip nails. Clip nails. Make breakfast. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Drive. Drive. Study. Study. Work. Work. Have a lunch. Have a lunch. Sip the coffee. Sip the coffee. Come to home. Come to home. Wash my hand. Wash my hand. Snack time. Snack time. Take a nap. Take a nap. Do my homework. Do my homework. Do my office work. Do my office work. Have a high tea. Have a high tea. Phone your friend. Phone your friend. Play games. Play games. Ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Go for shopping. Go for shopping. Read a book. Read a book. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Clean the window. Clean the window. Do the dusting. Do the dusting. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Wash the car. Wash the car. Tidy up the room. Tidy up the room. Do the gardening. Do the gardening. Water the plant. Water the plant. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Cook the meal. Cook the meal. Prepare lunch boxes. Prepare lunch boxes. Set the table. Set the table. Clear the table. Clear the table. Wipe off the table. Wipe off the table. Pick up the toys. Pick up the toys. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. Organize the bookshelf. Organize the bookshelf. Turn off lights. Turn off lights. Go to bed. Go to bed. Fall asleep. Fall asleep. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.